Today I'm going to show you how to do an acid-base titration. It's a technique used to calculate the concentration of an unknown bath. Today I'm using our Aqueous PL918, which is a caustic-based cleaner. I also have ACL here, and then I also have the indicator. And since we know the concentration of the ACL, we're able to calculate the concentration of the unknown bath. So I've already poured the 10 mils of our cleaner and I diluted it to 50 mils. Now I'm going to add the indicator, which is methyl orange. You can add 4 to 8 drops. This time I'm just going to only add 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is going to change the color of the solution to orange. Now I'm going to add the ACL, which is the titrant. And so once this turns pink, we know we reached our endpoint. And so I'm going to start slowly adding now. And as you slowly add, kind of swirl it around to make sure that the ACL is actually reacting in the solution. I'm going to stop it because I can see some pink start to form. You can kind of see that the color is changing, but it's not quite pink just yet. So I'm going to add a little more. Oh, there it goes. I have reached my endpoint, and so there I've added about 6 mils of HCl. You can find the calculation on our TDS, and you can plug in the 6 mils and you'll have the concentration of your unknown solution. Thank you.